Nisha, where can I find it?
Go to YouTube and put in Velvet versus Malia. And it's gonna come up. Velvet Malia fight.
I
Now
want,
hold
I
on.
want to know.
When Iyah and and Fufu had to fight, I was surprised. But Iyah
It's
was
gotta
grabbing her
be
hair the whole time. Fufu was mad about that. But Iyah came out with a black eye. And I was like, and Fufu came out with what? She had the scratches. She had a little speed knot too. So I was going in. I ain't know I was that strong. I was like, damn. I didn't know I was that strong, bro. And I guess
I
when you
want.
pull somebody here, then you make them look weak. Cause I was like, yeah, I thought Effort would have turned up more than that, but Effort was getting hers in. But it's something about when a woman pull your hair that just make the woman just, I don't know what the fuck. They just
Keep it fighting.
the head. I don't know. It stopped them from fighting. Now she was like, get off my head. Man, hey look, hey look at this food, man. Look at this food. Look how Aya be cooking for me when she wants sex. This how she cook when she want to get some dick.
Oh, you see this?
I'm here for some. This how she cook
Wait,
for me
what?
when she want. That's
Who?
that's chicken.
Who cooked
Aya.
Aya? You ready? You on a date though? Aya, you playing? It's been around the corner, so don't sit and say yes. Can we get over there?
And the shit fresh too. It's fresh. You charging?
They said, then you do her off for not cooking? Lord have mercy.
Look at this chicken, how tender it is. It's tender. Mm-hmm. Of course you can. Of course you can.
I hate chicken, y'all.
I want some more ass sauce.
Awesome, good. They awesome.
A troll broke in and took all the forks and left. Mmm. Where she spiced that? This little baby fork.
Throw out the damn food.
Look inside the dishwasher.
They said I need to charge. I don't like sushi. So, daddy said, did you need to charge? I don't like no none of that.
Peace, God.
Please God.
Hey, I was on here earlier when they was hating and stuff on you. I was like, man, they need to stop with all the hate. Real shit. So once Malia gets pregnant, is will you still allow them to fight, or are they gonna calm down on that?
What you mean still allowed him to fight?
I'm saying, would you break it up if they got into it
I wouldn't let nobody
while
pregnant
she's
fight. What you
pregnant?
talking about? You having my baby, you ain't gonna be fighting.
Oh, okay, exactly. I agree. I think the
That,
ladies are beautiful, and the
that
people in
was
the
a stupid ass
comments need to
question, wasn't
stop making a
it?
difference out of them.
That was a dumb
Well, I
question.
just asked.
No, man, that's
Okay,
a dumb ass
I'll
question.
take that. I'll take that lick. It was stupid. It was stupid. But
You know how I
Yeah,
act
people
when a
need to
woman
stop
get
making.
pregnant with my baby, how I go down. They
Right.
get spoiled.
You know we have mood swings too. When we-
They said, Gabby, please get an iPhone. It look like you give them live a calculator. I have an iPhone, baby. I have two phones.
They said you on live on the calculator. That's funny.
I have an iPhone as well.